title is Kung Masasaktan Lang, yung kinanta mo kanina.
Masasaktan lang.
So, can you please share us a brief story regarding the song?
Yung story na po, well, it's actually also written by Miss Roxy Fabian. And I actually sang this at first sa Pepito Manaloto. Yun yung naging parang kanta ni Chito na ipa-perform niya sa live stream. And I was part of that episode. So, ayun, doon po una namin tinis yung song. So, ayun po. Actually, it's a teaser of the single na talaga.
And nakwento ba sa'yo nung composer yung inspiration behind the song? Hindi. Pero with this, kasi previously, di ba nakapag-release ka na ng mga dating music?
Isang beses pa lang po, pero not under GMA playlist. So yung Kung Masasaktan Lang is actually my first single under GMA playlist. And yung sinasabi niyo po, I think you're referring to yung Ayoko Na, which is yung ginamit rin sa Pepito Manaloto and pinatugtog rin yun sa soundtrack ng Family History, which is my dad's movie. That was back in pre-pandemic in 2019. So, ayun po, that was even before nag-sign ako with Sparkle. So, ayun po. Yun po yung una. So, dalawa pa lang.
So, syempre, batang-bata ka pa nun. So,
College.
kumusta yung vibe nito compared with the previous song na nililinis?
Actually, it's like a huge jump from parang hugot song kasi yung Ayoko Na. Tapos, sa pagkakaalala ko, ginamit siya dun sa breakup scene ni Chito tsaka ni Nikki sa Pepito Manaloto. Tapos, it was also in a dramatic scene in Family History. So, it was really mabigat yung emotions dun sa kanta na yun. Whereas yung sa Kung Masasaktan Lang, meron pa siyang parang heartbreak feeling. Pero at the same time, it's a more playful energy in the song. Yung tipong, okay, gusto ko na magbahalulan, pero takot pa rin ako kasi nasaktan na ako dati. Ayaw ko masaktan, di ba? Ayun.
Pero as an artist, paano mo nare-relate sa yung song?
As an artist, well, I related to myself in a sense na of course, wanting to fall in love. Everybody wants to fall in love and everybody has that fear of being hurt, especially if you've been hurt bad before. So, as an artist, I just really hope that the song would resonate with people in a way that would make them feel, not alone, and okay lang to feel that way. And, being afraid to fall in love, or the process of falling in love, it doesn't have to be a scary thing, it could be fun, and it could be good. Yeah.
And syempre, sabi mo na-perform mo lang ito previously sa Pepito.
Opo.
Ano ba yung mga initial parang reactions, especially those people na kilala ka, after nilang mapakinggan nila yung bagong song?
So, itong song na to, yung Kung Masasaktan Lang, it actually hasn't been released yet. Only part of it was played sa Pepito Manaloto, no? So, it had pretty good feedback naman, and people have been asking, yung tinatanong po nila kung kailan ko i-release and kung i-release ba yung full version. So, ito na po, masasagot ko na po yun. I'll be releasing it sa Valentine's Day actually. So, ayun, sana po abangan ng mga tao yun and ma-enjoy nila yung full version of the song.
Thank you. Congratulations
Thank you so
on the
much.
song.